Hello students, I hope you all well, healthy and safe at your home. In geometry we are going to discuss about point, lines, line segments and rays. So let's start. Firstly we are going to learn about point. A point shows exact location. It is represented by a dot. Like this, point A, point B, we can name the dot with a capital letter A, B and C. It has no dimension. It has no dimension means no length, no breadth or height. Student, we may not notice we are using point in everyday's life. Yes. For example, map location of any address on map is denoted by a point. Map में हम एड्रेस को पॉइंट से ही लोकेट करते हैं. Okay. After this, line segment. A part of a line is called a line segment. It has two end points and cannot be extended further. इसके दो end point होते हैं. इसका मतलब ये और आगे नहीं बढ़ सकती. So it has a fixed length. It has a fixed length. And line segment we denoted by AB and a straight line on it. So the distance between the 2 points AB is called the length of AB and the straight line on it. The example of line segment is the edges of a book, side of blackboard or edges of duster or a ruler. These are the example of line segment. After this, line. The word line refers to a straight line, एक सीधी line. It has no end point. इसका कोई end point नहीं होता है. It can be extended endlessly in both direction. ये दोनों direction में आप endlessly ही बढ़ सकती है आगे. The name of the line is denoted by two capital letter. You can say A and B. The line has no definite length. इसकी कोई definite length नहीं होती है. And the line denoted by line AB and an arrow on it. Okay. After this, we are going to discuss ray. Student, what do you recall when it say the word ray? Yes, it is sun rays, like the rays of sun. Sun rays extend only in one direction. So it has only one end point. Its starting point is called initial point. इसके starting point को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Initial point बोलते हैं. It is named by two capital letters of the English alphabet A and B. यहाँ पे भी हम A और B का use करेंगे. And we denote by A, B and a line like this on it. This is the symbol of ray. So I hope you all understood till now. In next video we will continue the same topic. So thank you for listening my video. Thank you for student.